Hi, nice to meet you.
How's it going?
It's going amazing. It's like all these emotions just mixed together. It's just amazing.
You are so cute.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Cute.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
You're 13? So, what are you going to sing for us today?
I will be singing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars.
Nice. Well, good luck.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine out my door. Whoa, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication, yeah, to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore.
Excuse me. We want to hear a different song.
You're going to have to work much harder on your vocals to shake out the nerves, right? This is important.
What have you got apart from the backing track? You got a piano track or an a cappella track?
We basically just dumbed down to Grenade so that it's just a piano.
Yeah, I'd like to hear it. I'd like to hear you with a little less.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why weren't they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. So give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade for ya. I throw my hands on a blade for ya. Whoa, I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same.
Thank you.
Simon?
Well, you've got steel in your eyes, young man, you know? And I think that you're a hard worker, but I want better vocals from you.
Well, I think you're so adorable and your stage presence just shines.
I have to be honest and tell you that you remind me so much of this other little kid, right? Who?
Yeah, I don't want to fall into that Bieber stereotype. It's got to be me.
Yeah. You know, that's your challenge, but you clearly have a lot of talent, and your personality is larger than this building.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Brittany.
I think you are completely and utterly adorable.
My heart's gonna like burst out of my chest if you're not careful.
All right, let's vote.
I'm going to be honest with you. I think we could be looking at a future pop star with you. That means a yes from me.
It's a long way to the top, but I'm willing to take the ride with you. Yes.
And I'm just gonna have to say yes, you're too cute.
Thank you.
Brittany?
I say yes.
Well, you have 4 yeses.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Yeah. 4 yes. That's all I could have ever asked for. We're through. Yes. We've made it.
That's bedtime.